an app called TD Bank. So how to install it on iPhone is, you can see it's pretty popular app for a specific niche of customers, over 240,000 ratings. Bank anytime, anywhere with the TD Bank app for personal and business. The updated TD Bank app gives you secure on-the-go access to your accounts along with powerful and intuitive tools for managing them. Deposit checks with a convenient check capture tool. Pay bills to almost any company or person. Lock and unlock misplaced or lost debit ATM cards. Open an account in app. Send receive money to your friends. Make transfers. Change your password and other profile settings. So that's what you can explore here. Convenience on the go here. So yeah, it's just like, like mobile banking app. But yeah, if you're a customer of this bank. So yeah, to open it up, just open up the app. And then you just need to log in with your username and password. Probably you already should have that created on your desktop, or you can just sign up for online banking, get the most of your TD account with secure online services. So then you just select what is your account, and then you need the following to enroll: SSN, TD Bank ATM card, email address, TD Bank account number. So 4 things you need to have, and then you need to accept terms agreement, and then just need to enter here all the details like first, last name, email address, account type, account number, ATM, debit card numbers, SSN, or like that. That's what you need to get started. So of course you need already to be a customer in TD Bank, but then when you're just a customer, you don't need any additional help, anything. You can just get started here and proceed with this form, which is quite convenient. So yeah, there you have it. Hope that can be helpful.